The next pattern or type of the examples what we are going to look after now is the result is expected in the form of u, but in between we see that we cannot get the u as a homogeneous function directly. Z is equal to f of u becomes the homogeneous function, and then we try to write down the statement of Euler's theorem in the form of u. So this is one of that kind of example wherein we have to simplify it. So kindly note down the question. If u is equal to log of x cube plus y cube upon x plus y, then find the value of x square into del 2u by del x square plus 2xy del 2u by del x del y plus y square del 2u by del y square. Here we are at a risk because we don't know the expected result. So we have to be very careful in the calculation. Unlike in the previous examples, RHS was given or provided with the result. So it was very easy for us or simple for us to match with that given result, right? But here we don't have that particular RHS with us. So whatever we will be calculating, we have to be very careful. Now tell me, to get this statement, I am again and again stressing that you should have the first order derivative statement with us, right? In this particular question, you see second order derivative. Second order derivatives are del 2u by del x square, del 2u by del y square, del 2u by del x del y. तो ये statements मिलने के लिए I should have the first order derivative. First order derivative statement is generated only after applying Euler's theorem. Euler's theorem is applicable only for homogeneous function. So here I need to check whether the given function is homogeneous or not. But when I replace x by mx, what you get over here? You will be getting like this, right?
Yes, sir.
So I can take out m cube outside this particular term and upon m, right? Is this clear?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
But
Yes, sir.
outside in between, what is creating a hurdle?
Log.
Log. So what I need to do is I need to remove the log. To remove the log, what is to be done? Take exponential on both sides. So I will take exponential on both sides. तो क्या बनेगा? E to the power u is equal to x cube plus y cube upon x plus y. So this e to the power u can be called as z. So this becomes now z is equal to x cube plus y cube upon x plus y. And now which is a homogeneous function? Z is
Z.
z is a homogeneous function because in between अगर मैं log रहने देता तो log would create a problem for proving that function as homogeneous, because m test लगाने के लिए power of m cannot be taken out without with log keeping as it is, right? So what I did, I took exponential on both the sides, then that exponential term for time being written as z. So z becomes x cube plus y cube upon x plus y. Now I can apply the m test. So what is taken outside? M cube upon m is m square. So which is a homogeneous function of degree 2? Z is
Z.
a homogeneous function of degree 2. So what will be the Euler's theorem statement for Z? How it will be?
X del
X.
X
Z by del
dz
X
by dx
plus
plus
X
y
into del
dz
Z
by
by
dy.
del X plus Y into del Z by del Y is equal to 2 into Z,
Z.
right? Clear up to this everybody? Have you noted down?
Yes, sir.
सभी ने लिखा है?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Kindly complete it, all of you. Any difficulty in this? Please ask me right now. अगर कोई दिक्कत जा रहा है तो मुझे पूछिएगा कि ये नहीं समझा है. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I will write down the Euler's theorem statement in Z. यहां तक हो गया पूरा बेटा?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So by Euler's theorem, you have x into del z by del x plus y into del z by del y is equal to 2z. But is my result expected in the form of z?
No, sir.
It is
No.
expected in the form of
U.
u. तो z की वैल्यू क्या अपन ने अज्यूम किए थे?
E,
e to the power u. What is differentiation of that? E to the power u into del u by del x. E to the power u into del u by del y. Substitute that value. Del z by del x is derivative of e to the power u. E to the power u into du by dx. Right? So accordingly, we will be having value for del z by del x as e to the power u into del u by del x. Del z by del y as e to the power u into del u by del y. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So replace the value for del z by del x. In place of del z by del x, you have e to the power u del u by del x. In place of del z by del y, you have e to the power u del u by del y. And RHS may be z is equal to e to the power u. So divide completely by e to the power u. Clear? I think somebody has raised the question during the explanation कि sir z में आया है तो u में कैसे आएगा? I hope this is the answer to it. How we will be proceeding ahead. Clear? So what is the result we are getting for the first order derivative? X into del u by del x plus y into del u by del y is equal to 2. Clear? This is your main equation number 1. अरे हुआ क्या?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
अभी इसको क्या करोगे आप?
Differentiate partially with respect to x.
Then
Multiply by
Multiply
x.
by
yes, then
Differentiate partially with respect to y.
then
Multiply
by
With y.
RHS में कांस्टेंट है तो डेरिवेटिव विल बी
0.
0.
यस, वेरी गुड. समझ में आया कैसा प्रोसीजर है?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So this was the example wherein it was not directly the homogeneous, via e to the power u homogeneous था जिसको अपन ने z बोला, and that is how we need to proceed ahead. Now differentiate partially with respect to x. वही प्रोसेस रहेगा बेटा, प्रोडक्ट रूल लगेगा इन दोनों के लिए. Here it is mixed partial derivative, then multiply by x. So can you write down this step directly? Now you all are familiar as what we have done in the
Yes, sir.
previous one, है ना? वैसे भी अपने को पता है कि मुझे LHS में यही 3 स्टेप्स रखना है. टर्म्स रखना है. u by Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
कहाँ तक हुआ? X square into, I hope you have got this particular differentiation with respect to x and multiply by x. So in the RHS we are surely going to get it 0, right? And this will be the term. Then partially differentiating with respect to y and multiplying by y, right? Then you combine these two steps. So what will be transferred on the other side? This particular bracket will be transferred on the other side. And what is the value of that?
2.
2. So as it is transferred to the other, it is minus 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. I hope you have simplified, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
it was very simple because RHS is a constant term and derivative of constant is 0. बराबर है? ये दोनों स्टेप्स क्लियर है क्या? और is anybody having a doubt? Can I repeat? Product rule: x into del 2 u by del x square plus del u by del x into 1 plus y into del 2 u by del x del y is equal to 0. आपने multiply by x किया होगा, so it will become x square del 2 u by del x square plus x del u by del x plus xy del 2 u by del x del y. Clear?
Yes,
Then differentiate partially with respect to y. Here it becomes product rule. Here it is a mixed partial derivative. Multiply by y. Add them together. This term is not required on the left hand side. Transfer them on the other. Minus common. That value is 2 from equation number 1. Right? So what is the result for this? The result for this is minus 2. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
yes, sir.
Yes. Note down the next question. होमवर्क के लिए आप ये लिख सकते हो लॉग वाला. Yes.
Yes, sir.
X to the power 4, x square, y to the power 4 means this is a homogeneous function of degree 4. And therefore, see, in the LHS, the result contains plus 4. If you transfer it on the RHS, what will be the value for it? Minus 4. बराबर है? Because you will be only requiring these three terms on the left hand side as per our solution of the other problems also.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I hope you will be able to do it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Note down the next question. Very important again. If u is equal to sine inverse of x plus y upon under root of x plus under root of y, then prove that x into del u by del x plus y into del u by del y is equal to half tan u. U is equal to sine inverse of x plus y upon under root of x plus under root of y. Then prove that x del u by del x plus y del u by del y is half tan u. The second result, x square del 2 u by del x square plus 2xy del 2 u by del x del y plus y square del 2 u by del y square is minus sine u into cos 2u upon 4 cos cube u. Minus sin u into cos 2u upon 4 cos cube u. ठीक है, this is how we need to bring the simplification, right? Noted down the question.
Yes, sir.
Now मुझे बताइए, can you prove directly this U as a homogeneous?
No, sir.
क्या करना पड़ेगा for that?
Sign on both sides.
Sign on both sides. So what it will become? Z is equal to
Sin U.
Sin U.
Sin U will be the homogeneous function. Z will be the homogeneous function, right? And then we
Yes,
need
sir.
to prove. But here, what will be the degree? M upon M to the power half, right? So what will be the degree of the homogeneous function? Rational number,
M to the power
M to the
half.
power half, right? I hope all of you are able to judge how to go with this solution.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So start with it as U is equal to sine inverse of x plus y upon root x plus root y. Then sine U is equal to Z is equal to x plus y upon root x plus root y. Mx plus my upon root m into root x plus root m into root y. So it will be m to the power half. So m, this function is a homogeneous function of degree half, right? Clear? So z is equal to sine u is a homogeneous function of degree half. So I write down the statement in the form of z. But z is sine u. What is derivative of sine u? Cos u into del u by del x. Right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So del z by del x is cos u into del u by del x. Del z by del y is cos u into del u by del y. So we try to put the values and we get the result. Is it okay? So divide by cos u on both the sides. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So half sin u upon cos u क्या देता है?
Tan U.
So did we get the first result?
Yes, sir.
Yes. I hope everybody is clear with this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Any difficulty? धीरे धीरे you are habituated with now this pattern. Z is equal to f of u.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If you see the corollary, what was it? N into f of u upon f dash of u. आई क्या बात समझ में? डायरेक्ट रिजल्ट इसका कैसा आता है? आपके पास स्टेटमेंट होगा सी f of u upon f dash of u बराबर है?
Yes, sir.
So sin u upon derivative of sin u is
Cos U.
n into f of u. If you see, you have this corollary with you. Now tan u को आगे लेकर डिफरेंशिएट करोगे. What is derivative of tan u?
Sec square U.
Yes. So differentiate partially with respect to x, multiply by x. I am doing it in one stroke. Differentiation as well as multiplication. So it is x square del 2u by del x square. आप अभी लिख लीजिए बस समझने के लिए. Because we are interested mostly in solving it, solving the simplification of the right hand side. ज्यादा डिटेलिंग में नहीं जाएंगे. Left hand side is always going to be same, right? So kindly note down these steps. Derivative of tan u is going to be sec square u. ठीक है. Differentiate partially with respect to y, multiply by y. So xy into del 2u by del x del y is equal to this value. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Finished up to this?
Yes, sir.
So now combine them, add them together. So क्या बनेगा? X into del 2u by del x square plus 2xy del 2u by del x del y plus y square del 2u by del y square. What is common in both? X into del u by del x plus y into del u by del y. बराबर है? Because from the left also it went. Is this correct? See, one of the term was half sec square u x del u by del x plus half sec square u y del u by del y minus x del u by del x minus y del u by del y. बराबर है?
Yes, sir.
So from
Yes,
that I
sir.
can take out x del u by del x, y del u by del y. So what it will be? Half into sec square u minus 1. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Did you reach up to this step, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Or is there any doubt that how this is coming? Please let me know. Then only I will move ahead. Is there any doubt? Is this point clear?
Yes, sir.
So now what is the value for x del u by del x plus y del u by del y? Half
Half
tan
tan.
u. Clear. But is the result in that same form given to us?
No, sir.
रिजल्ट किस में दिया हुआ है? साइन कोसाइन
Sin
में
and
दिया
cos.
हुआ है. सो व्हाट इज माय जॉब? tan can be written as sin u upon cos u. sec square u can be written as 1 upon cos square u. So what I will do over here, I will write sec square u as 1 upon cos square u, tan u as sin u upon cos u. Take LCM. LCM लेंगे तो क्या होगा? 1 minus 2 cos square u upon cos square u, right? This is the main simplification for getting the answer. So 1 upon 2 cos square u minus 1 half tan u is sin u upon cos u. LCM is 1 minus 2 cos square u upon 2 cos square u into sin u upon 2 cos u. 2 2s are 4. Cos square u into cos u, cos cube u. And what is this formula? It is a formula for minus cos 2u. बराबर है? cos 2 थीटा के 4 फॉर्मूले
Yes,
हैं.
sir.
1 minus 2 sin square theta, 2
Yes, sir.
cos square theta minus 1, and that is how I have tried to bring their cos 2u. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So did we get the expected result?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Finished up to this?
Yes, sir.
Completed all of you? I hope there is no confusion now. Is it clear? Yes, note down the last one. Can you write down the question? If z is equal to x to the power n f1 of y by x, y to the power minus n f2 of x by y, then prove that x square del 2z by del x square 2xy del 2z by del x del y plus y square del 2z by del y square plus x del z by del x plus y del z by del y is equal to n square z.